What else?
Hold on.
Rabbit?
Hold on. No.
What are you doing? Is that not it? Hello everybody. Good morning, afternoon, evening, whatever it might be for you. Today, I have not done this in a while either. My dad is here. It's Sunday as usual, our Sunday fun day. But today we need to go to Menards and we also need to go make a big purchase we have to make each month on all the animals. So I gotta get a huge bag of like rabbit food, chicken food, goat food, all the farm animal stuff. And I got ready and my dad's here and I'm about to get Matthew ready since we went hunting yesterday and came home late. He's still in his hunting clothes. But I'm gonna get ready and then we'll take you guys along on our shopping trip today and see what we get for the animals. See you soon. Okay, I'm dressed, Matthew's dressed, and we're heading out the door. So we'll see you guys there, I guess, or somewhere in the car. I don't know. Ready to go shopping, Dad?
I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm ready like SpongeBob.
You ready, Gracie? Mm-hmm. Okay, let's do this. Come on, I'm getting the car seat. Maddie's being a big boy today. He's not wearing a diaper. He's not wearing a diaper.
Yeah. Yes, you don't have diapers.
Your car seat's on the other side. But anywho, Matthew has a no diaper on because he's gonna be a big boy. He's usually good at it and he tells me when he has to potty, but did you hurt yourself? Yeah. Shake it off. But it's more for my own sanity. First stop, McDonald's.
All because of Gracie.
Matthew, you want a chicken nugget or a cheeseburger? Cheeseburger. It is super hot today. Like we are sweating here in Indiana. Today is Sunday, November 8th, and it is almost 80 degrees. Yay, of sweat. The high is 81 today. I should have worn shorts and a tank top, I know. And this is the line we're waiting in. People think I'm probably weird vlogging the line for McDonald's because Gracie wants it. We made it, we're here. Tractor Supply. We're just sitting in here to eat. I already ate my sandwich because there's a bunch of people sitting around us. But anyways, I got mine with all pickles. You want it? What? You want my pickles? Oh, you want to go in? Yeah. Okay. I got a cheeseburger with no cheese and then full of pickles. Unless someone else got. But we're gonna go in, so we'll see you inside. Here we go. So this is where we get all our food. Gracie knows what to buy. So let's do this, baby. You ready? Yeah, no, that's a deer. So this is where you can get all your cowgirl stuff. Oh. What?
Cowgirl hats, pink one.
It might be back here. Usually back, yeah, right here. Matthew. Gracie wants a cowgirl hat.
Oh, they don't have pink. They'll have black.
These. Toy?
Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
A deer. Cowgirl. You want to see yourself?
Oh my god. There's a mirror. What happened to the pink one? That was cute. I mean, I'll settle for black.
Alright, let's go get the food. Had to go out and get my car, I forgot. We're here for animal food. You're not getting all that. Christmas is coming. Apple got gloves? You're not getting all that. Let's go get the animal food. You want to get up in the cart? They have, that's Justin. That's plain, and that one's cooler.
And it's used, it don't even fit me.
So should I get that dog food?
Yeah.
You got it, Dad? That's why we brought Dad. He's got muscles that you don't know about.
Right.
I'm gonna go to the doctor.
Alright, now what's next?
Chickens. Or robins.
Let's start with the chicken food down here. So we get 2 of them? I think they're both the same, aren't they?
No, this one has brown and that, and this one has this.
Oh.
I mean, we can get 2 of those, but he wants
So we'll just do one of each. This is gonna be the fun part. Yeah, I'm gonna put this up here. This up here. Because they'll just take the tags. Got it, Dad? We'll have to lay the other one.
Got this one.
The one with just corn. So we got one with just corn, one with mixed. What else? Rabbit?
Hold on. No.
What are you doing? Is that not it?
I need that one.
I just want to see it.
I got it.
I don't know. Supposedly she knows what it is, so this is funny. It's okay. All right, now what? Rabbit food? Look, this cart's gonna snap. All right, Gracie, this is all lying on you.
Where's your rabbit food?
It's over here. I know where it's at.
This one.
I'll let you and Papa go for it.
Holy
So Gracie switched it out for the all-grain one for these peblets.
Whatever.
Okay, is that it? So you got food for every animal. Okay.
I want goat food, but he didn't say that.
What about the donkey?
He don't want to.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay. Are you sure?
Yeah.
We're not missing an animal. All right.
He said I want goat food, but he
Where's the goat food? Gracie has an obsession with her animals.
What's wrong with my animal? I gotta feed him.
So which one's goat food?
Y'all are. I'm gonna read them
Cause what?
because you have to.
I mean, our goat don't even eat goat food. I don't even know what it is. What's this that's on sale? Sheep and goat. Now 11 something.
Yeah, it's goat food.
It's reduced. Do you want that?
We're gonna put it up.
Medicated? What does that mean? Medicated.
I was trying to has medicine.
Medicine. Dad, what does this mean?
Me.
It says sheep and goat DQ medicated.
Don't know.
It's on reduced. I mean, we can get it. Who cares?
If it's medicated, don't need it anyway.
Okay, get it.
Here, I'll get it. 'Cause
I got it.
you can't put it on here.
No, I don't got it.
Okay, sit it down, sit it down.
Wow. You gonna carry it? Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Gracie wanted to carry it. She crazy. I don't know where she thinks she got her muscles from.
I need to eat more, that's why.
Hey, can we stop?
What, Dad?
Can we stop and look at all this stuff real quick?
No, it's not. I'm gonna drop
I want to go shopping now. What? Oh man. Yeah, let me. I don't know what these are. Matthew, you want to get just this? No. Okay, do you want to get just one of these? Look, you can get this and this. How about that? Look at that. Then we got all this stuff up here.
You go ahead, because you got it.
Thank you. That's cool. That one's for this and this one. And then these two will have to stay. Yeah. 317. Did you get the reduced price on this one? I didn't think about that. It was on clearance. Or it's right here.
$7.99.
Sorry.
I'm going to 100. I'm kidding.
Thank you so much. Uh-oh, don't lose it. Poor Dad.
Now we might put them in ours.
Why?
Same gloves we're going to get.
Oh, Oh, that's what you're going for?
Crazy. Freaking heavy.
Really? Ask me to carry these because they're too heavy. Okay. Why is it so weird? Like, you have to really, like, look at it.
The grand total was $71 for 4 bags of food for these animals. 4 bags, $71.
No, 5 bags.
How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shut up. Shut up. Just be quiet.
Nobody asked you.
And then Matthew got a couple of toys. We got rid of the expensive ones, and they had those on claim for 50 cents. Thanks, Dad.
Welcome.
We'll have to put some in the back. You want to put your mask up for you? Me and Dad just had to make a quick pit stop. Or a pit stop would be peas, right? And we just had to run into Dollar Tree real quick. Matthew needs diapers, and I usually just run in there to get a couple packs of these so I don't have to run to the big store. Gracie stayed out here and watched him, so we just ran in there to grab some diapers so Maddie don't pee in the bed at night. So now we're going home, so we'll see you at the house. I also got some goodies. So I got some diapers. I always get this. This stuff's great for my kids. Some mouthwash, some extra disposable masks I just throw in my purse. This is for my eyebrows. This is for whenever Matthew takes a bath. He likes to play with shaving cream. The Dollar Tree also had toner. How cool is that? I know it's not no good brand. I don't even know if it is or not, but and it's like a light brown toner. Got some bronzer. I need some bronzer and some nose strip things. So that's what I got when I walked to the Dollar Tree. But now we're at home, so I'm gonna get everything put up, clean up a little because tomorrow's Monday, school day, so I like to get everything cleaned up and organized and ready and everything done so it's a fresh, good start on a Monday and I can focus on the kids' schooling. And I will have Callie and Addie all week, so it will be a crazy, hectic week when I have all the kids and doing schooling. So I'll see you guys here in a few. Hi, honey. Hi. Hi. Clearly the kids have threw pillows in here. These are our new goats, and there's the original OG over there. But these new ones are pretty friendly. I came out here to feed them their food. Oh my gosh, I love them. Hang on, I'll get your food. I just came in and cleaned my hands and I look like a total mess, but obviously I don't ever feed the animals, Travis does, but I wanted you guys to get a little sense before I end the video that those are helping animals we have to feed. I do want to clarify the animals inside are the ones that are mine and I do feed and take care of. The rabbit and the fish in my room, but I just want to throw that in there. I do take care of the ones inside. It's the outside ones that are all Travis's that he takes care of. So that's his job. So I kind of just threw some food in there and kind of showed you guys around what animals that are out there. So hope that you guys enjoy and I'll see you guys again next time. Love ya. Bye.